Okay, everyone, you never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings and in other people's houses for any reason. That is a big no. You don't ever do that. You only do it if you have your own fire alarms at home. The reason why I am tampering with a fire alarm is because this is my own fire alarm. So I can do whatever I want to this fire alarm. But with a fire alarm in a public building and even in somebody else's house, you do not tamper with it because in a public building, these are very serious life safety devices that alert people when there is a fire inside the building and they must evacuate the building immediately, and also alert the fire department to come and put that fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why these are not to be tampered with in a public building. The reason why these are not to be tampered with in somebody else's house is because these are not your alarms. So you do not tamper with them. You only do it with your own alarms at home. If you come to my house and you tamper with my alarms, you will get into very serious trouble. You will get fined and you will get arrested by the police. And if you don't, you will be permanently banned from my house, which means you will never be able to come back to my house ever again. You will never be able to come back to my house ever again if you tamper with my alarms. So do not ever tamper with my alarms for any reason if you are in my house. And we haven't done our fire drill yet for the month of May. If we don't do it, then we will get into very serious trouble by the state of Virginia, because it is required by law in the state of Virginia to do a fire drill every month when school is in session. But apparently there is testing going on. We better do the drill before the month is over, or else we will get in big trouble with the state. Goodbye.